8,000 years ago, Atlantis sank beneath the ocean. The great crystal, the source of its power, was hidden beneath the city. Robbed of the heart of Atlantis, my people seemed doomed to slow extinction. But now we are reborn! Obby, hurry! We must get back to the throne room! Hold on! Once again, the heart of Atlantis shines upon us, healing us, making us strong. We are using the power of the crystal to rebuild our city and to restore our culture to greatness. Under the light of the great crystal, my people are thriving again. We have uncovered secrets lost for thousands of years. The city is once again a center of knowledge and learning, instead of a place of ignorance and fear.
Good day,
Good day! And be careful! My father thought it better to hide the crystal rather than risk the misuse of its power. As queen, I can only hope I am doing the right thing. How fitting! The old king need never shed tears again.
Obby! All right, come on, show a little respect here.
I never thought the rebuilding of Atlantis would move so quickly.
I think we only understand a fraction of what the crystal can teach us.
Well, I know that none of it would be possible without you.
Okay, one. You know, you're getting to look like one chubby lava dog.
What is it, Obby? What is wrong?
Queen Kida! There are intruders approaching the city!